Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the Droid X UI custom ROM for the Redmi Note 7 Pro. This ROM is based on Android 14, which is fantastic news for this phone and promises to bring a fresh experience with some unique customizations. But before we jump in, let's address a potential question mark: the security patch level. While the build date is July 4th, 2024, the security patch itself is from May 2024. This means some of the latest security fixes might be missing. We'll keep that in mind throughout the review. One of the first things you'll notice with Droid X UI is the inclusion of the stock Google Pixel launcher. This launcher delivers a clean, familiar experience that many users love. It's a great choice for those who prefer a minimalist approach. Now, Droid X UI isn't the most feature-packed custom ROM when it comes to customization, but it does offer a dedicated section called DXUI Lab. Here's where you can find some tweaks to personalize your experience. You can change the battery style and how the percentage is displayed, both while using the phone and charging. The lab also lets you configure the volume buttons for playback control and adjust lock screen settings like ripple effects, double tap to sleep, and fingerprint vibration. The DXUI Lab goes beyond the basics and throws in some Monet settings. Monet is a theming engine in Android 14 that dynamically adjusts colors based on your wallpaper. Here, you can potentially tweak how this theme applies to notifications, power menu, quick settings, status bar, and the overall system look. Battery backup on this ROM is good. Means ideal drain is to bad on this ROM, but the screen on time is good on this ROM. I get almost 6 to 7 hours of battery life. To gauge the performance of this ROM, I ran Geekbench. The results showed a score of 665 for single-core and 1137 for multi-core. These are decent numbers, but it would be helpful to see benchmarks from users with everyday usage to get a clearer picture of real-world performance. An important aspect to consider is SafetyNet. This service ensures your device can access certain apps and services that require a secure environment. Droid X UI fails SafetyNet with root access enabled, which is expected. However, the good news is that it passes SafetyNet without root. This means you can use apps like Google Pay and Netflix without any issues. The ROM comes pre-installed with the MIUI camera app. This is a popular choice for Xiaomi devices, and it's good to see it working flawlessly here. You can take photos and videos without any problems. So, is Droid X UI the perfect ROM for your Redmi Note 7 Pro? It depends on your priorities. If you crave a Pixel-like experience with some basic customization options and good performance, then this ROM is definitely worth considering. However, if you're a power user who needs extensive customization options and the latest security patches, you might want to explore other alternatives. I hope this review has helped you decide whether Droid X UI is the right choice for your Redmi Note 7 Pro. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below.